Hi, Jaden. I hope you're doing well today. We are going to do day 2 of our reading today. I'm going to do exercise day 2 with you, and then you can read story 2 with someone in your house and do the activity pages, okay? So if you could follow along here on the screen, we'll do exercise day 2 together. We'll start in row 1, row A. So what is that first sound there? Ooh, as in blue. Next one. Ooh, as in crew. Ah, as in paw. And E as in baby. Row B, read the sounds. I, A, O, E, ch. Okay, now we're going to do shifty blending, so that's one sound change per word here. Read the underlined sound and then the whole word. What is the underlined sound? E and the whole word. C. Next, underlined sound. T. Whole word. T. Underlined sound. R. Whole word. Tear. Next, underlined sound. O. Whole word. Tore. Underlined sound. N. Whole word. More. Okay, now we're going to practice with our sound spelling. So the first sound here is what? What sound? Ooh. Read the underlined part and the whole word. What is the underlined part? Ooh. Whole word. Blue. Next. Underline. Ooh. Whole word. True. Next. Underline. Ooh. Whole word. Clue. Our next words are going to have the EW. What sound does that make again? Move me out of the way here. Ooh. So read the underlined part and the word. What's the underlined part? Ooh. And the whole word? New. Next. Underlined part? Ooh. Whole word? Flew. Next word? Underline? Ooh. Whole word? Grew. Next, you have the short I sound. What sound? Eh. Read the underlined part and then the word. What is the underlined part? Eh. And the whole word? Stiff. Next word. Underline. Eh. Whole word. Thin. Next word. Underline. Eh. Whole word. Pin. Next word. Underline. Eh. Whole word. Hat pin. Next column, what sound does AW make? Ah. Read the underlined part and the whole word. What is the underlined part? Ah and the whole word. Lawn. Next word, underline. Ah, whole word. Dawn. Next word, underlined. Ah, whole word. Draw. And in our last group here, we have the bossy E. Read the underlined part and the whole word. What is the underlined part? R and the whole word. Car. Next word. Here's where the bossy E is going to change that A sound. So it looks like it should be A, but then the whole word is not care, it is care. What about the next one? It's the word. Time. Or I'm sorry, and the word is 10. Thanks for correcting me, Jaden. And the last word here, what is the underlined part? Since there's a bossy E, it is I, and the whole word, time. Good. Now we're going to do we're going to do our accuracy section here. Okay. And read the underlined part and then the whole word here. What is the underlined part? E and the whole word. Sturdy. Next word, underlined, R, and the word dark. Next word, underlined, ow, and the whole word couch. Next word, underline. Oh, that can make a few different sounds, can't it? In this word, it makes the schwa sound, ah. So ah, and the whole word, away. Next word, underline. Oh, there's an E at the end, so that makes it a long I, and the whole word, while. Next word, what's the underline? Ah, and the whole word, crawled. Next word, ow, and the whole word, pouted. Next, we're going to read rhyme words. What is the first word? All, tall, stall. And our next group, old, bold, fold. Now we have some names here that go with our story. What's the first name? Mr. Moffat. And our next one, Ghana. And our last one, Africa. Next group, read the underline and then the whole word. So we have suffixes now added to the end. What is our base word? Tire. And our whole word, tired. Next one, base word, late. Whole word, later. Next word, base word, tattle. And the whole word, tattled. Next word, the base word is reach. And the whole word, reached. Last word, base word, part. And the whole word, parting. Go to the tricky words. Let's read the tricky words. First word, shoes. Next, worry. Next, half. Next, library. Next, people. Next, country. Next, welcome. Now for our multisyllabic words. Read the word parts and then the whole word. Ready? We'll start with row A. Travel. Travel. Next word. Visit. Visit. Now row B. Good. Bye. Goodbye. And the next one. Bittersweet. Bittersweet. And on the bottom here, we have the prefix again, un, which means not. And so our first word is unlocked, which means not locked. And read your sentence. I left the door unlocked. Okay, good job reading today, Jaden. Go ahead and read your story number 2 with a family member. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.